How to connect broker to MetaTrader 5. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on how to connect broker to MetaTrader 5 account. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, launch MetaTrader 5 application on your device. Tap on three-line icon at top left corner of the screen from this code section. Now tap Manage Accounts at top of the screen. Here, tap Plus button at top right corner of the screen. So, let's find the broker by tapping on Find Broker option at top of the screen. For me, I'm going with Pepperstone broker, so let's type in. Once you search for the broker, you can easily open a demo account or you can log into an existing account if you already have a demo account. So I already have a demo account, so let's enter all the login information here, the login, password, server, and if you wish to save password, check mark the option. So let's do it. And you need to tap on the login button, and with that you will successfully connect the broker to MetaTrader 5. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos.